Greetings RC fans, greetings Diecast Racing fans. So a couple of weeks ago, or last week, I can't remember what my release schedule is going to be like, you will have seen the wonderful gift that I got off of Phil, Tomley RC, for my 50th birthday. Well, in these two packages here are the gift that all of my friends and family put into for me to buy for use with the channel. I do know what's in here, and I have to give a massive thank you out to Kitsune. She found a major deal on what's in here and got it considerably cheaper than we could have got it direct from the manufacturer. So I'm going to grab into that in a second, but before we do that, don't forget to do the usual things like, comment and subscribe. In these two packages here is something that I've wanted for a very long time, but I haven't got the money. I couldn't justify the expenditure. So thankfully to my family and all of my friends who have put together and bought what's in here for me. Right, let's get things moved around, get a top-down view, and we'll start with the main part, which is that one, and then that should be a secondary part. 1 second. Right, here it is. It's quite heavy. So this is something I've wanted a very long time. But as I say, new from the manufacturer, they're 490 quid. So here we go. Insta 360 Go 3, the tiny mighty action camera. So Tomley RC uses one of these for a lot of his onboard footage. And I absolutely love the look of it. Has the lozenge shaped camera that departs from the main part, but it has a flip up screen and all the rest of it. This is in the plastic. I will break it out of that in a second. And this is another part that, because of the money that was donated, was able to be got, which is still quite heavy. And I need to be careful because it has Kitsune's address on, so 1 second. Right, it's got most of that off. So that is the carrier case for the Insta 360 Go 3 that Kitsune also found. We'll get into that in a second. This is the main bit, and I need to learn how to use it. So we've got the box, we've got a tab, which has got charger. I don't know if there's anything else in there. Feels like there's something else in there. Instructions in the bottom here, which I need to read thoroughly. Still sounds like there's something inside there. I don't know what it is. So there's something in there. It's making a rattling noise and I don't know. Maybe it's just sort of cut out. Definitely feels like there's something in there. I'm just going to rip this bit apart because, you know, yes, there is. It's the silica gel packet. Okay. Anyway, so there's the camera itself. It has lots of bits and pieces with it. Sticky mounts, magnet mounts, bendy mounts. This is for what I refer to as the lozenge, which is the main part of the camera, which comes out of there and will mount into this, and it has a magnet mount system. Well, that's a clip mount, but you can attach it to all sorts of things. and then that goes into there. It has a screen which will flip up, because the current GoPro I'm using doesn't. So I have difficulty knowing what I'm actually filming when I'm doing selfie stuff. So this is going to hopefully replace my main GoPro. But you can also watch on the screen and the stuff of this if it's remotely in, so I can use it for like driving crawlers through and stuff like that. So I need to look at batteries and stuff like that. That's probably the on-off on it. So that is the overview of it. It's brilliant, same size as a GoPro. This is the normal GoPro I use, which is a GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. And you can see there that they're about the same that way. It's a bit wider because it's got the screen. So yeah, just as a comparison. So I need to have a look at this, work out how it all works. It's got the charging port there. I don't know whether that then charges this and stuff like that, and whether you can get external battery packs and stuff to increase that charge time or run time and stuff like that. So I need to look through everything, and I will come back to you in a couple of minutes. Right, so I've just had a little check around. It has an internal battery, which is a 310 milliamp hour battery that can record in video mode for 45 minutes when fully charged, with the fully charged action pod, which is what I think they're referring to that bit as, it's 170 minutes. So this is a lanyard that goes around the neck. This is a mount, and this mounts to this. You press the buttons, that comes off. It will also take this, will also mount onto there like that, as well as with the magnets and stuff. This is a cleanable, reusable sticky pad. This is just the magnet mount into there. It has got the sticky pad on the back. It's another thing, but it can clip on, hopefully focus, clip onto baseball caps, etc. So that goes into there like that. So that is what you get in the main thing. It gives the instructions on how to use it. You can start recording while the camera is off. I've had a quick look at the quick start guide, which is really straightforward. Shows everything on there. I'll show you what was in the carry case now. So this is the carry case. Oh, I've got a quick, I need to cut that one sec. So yes, this is the carry case. Should keep it all together. So it has all the spaces for the various bits to go. The lanyard, the easy clip, it goes in there like that. I haven't got the mini 2-in-1 tripod. Camera itself, I'm guessing, goes in that one. That way round, like that. Quick release mount in here. Or does that one go in there? I don't know. Pivot stand. Let's have a look. Oh, so the pendant comes up in the top here, like that. There's a little pouchy. Oop. Does that go? How does that go in there? does that go again? What does that unscrew? I don't know. So yeah, that's where it's all going to go. Pivot stand, quick release mount, which is what I'm guessing this bit is. So yeah, that's all of that. I need to learn how to use this, and then you'll start seeing me using it in the upcoming videos on the channel. Once I've worked out how to put stuff away into here, I'm guessing that goes into there, but then it's just, where does this bit go? Oh, maybe it goes that way on like that. Aha! Got it. So then everything is going into the carry case. Right folks, so that's it for today. I need to get this charged up. I need to play with it off camera and learn how to use it, how to record with it and all of that. I may talk to Phil, Tommy RC, and learn from him, because I know he'll probably have some settings that work that I can use for this type of thing. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very, very much to everybody that donated to get this for me for the channel. It should hopefully improve everything that we're doing, both on the Diecast Racing side and on the RC side. I love you all very, very much, and I'll catch you all again next time.